Have you ever watched a philosophy video and felt like you needed to study ancient history just to understand a single sentence? I know exactly how that feels, because so much Stoicism content online is either buried under complicated language that feels impossible to follow, or filled with shallow motivational quotes that sound inspiring but never actually help you change your life. My name is Sophia, and for over 17 years, I've dedicated myself to studying philosophy, human behavior, and the timeless wisdom that has helped people remain calm through life's greatest challenges. Along the way, I discovered that the principles of Stoicism are far more practical than most people realize. I follow a lot of philosophy and self-improvement channels, and I started noticing these character-driven videos appearing in my feed all the time. But one thing immediately stood out to me. Nearly every voice in this style was a male figure. I couldn't help but wonder if the algorithm believed only men wanted to talk about wisdom, discipline, and inner strength. I felt there should also be room for a female perspective, because these lessons belong to everyone. The truth is, I'm using this AI format because I want to be completely honest with you. I'm not yet comfortable speaking in front of the camera. It's a little ironic, isn't it? After years of studying timeless wisdom and helping others understand it, I'm still learning to feel at ease on camera. Even though I'm not ready to show my face, I have the knowledge, experience, and passion to share these life-changing ideas with you. At the same time, my background is quite different from the fast-moving world of AI, so I don't want to promise videos that look like they were produced by a huge Hollywood team. These new tools take time to learn, and I'm still figuring them out, but I'm genuinely excited about the process and committed to improving with every video. My goal is to create a welcoming place where anyone can discover the practical wisdom I've gathered over the years and learn how to navigate life with greater clarity, resilience, and peace of mind. Looking back, I realize there's a massive gap in the way we prepare people for life. In school, we memorized countless facts and historical events, yet very few of us were ever taught how to manage anger, deal with disappointment, overcome fear, or remain calm when everything seems to fall apart. We graduate academically prepared, but emotionally unprepared. It's like giving someone a ship without ever teaching them how to navigate a storm. That's why I decided to create this channel. I believe wisdom shouldn't be reserved for scholars or hidden inside difficult books. It should be simple, practical, and available to anyone who wants to become stronger from within. There are many Stoicism channels today, but most either focus on endless inspirational quotes or present philosophy in a way that feels distant from everyday life. Motivation is helpful, but motivation alone doesn't transform character. The real challenge is changing the way we think, respond, and live every single day. My goal for this community is to make these timeless ideas incredibly easy to understand and genuinely useful in your daily life. I want to take profound philosophical principles and turn them into simple habits that help you master your emotions, strengthen your discipline, protect your peace, and become the kind of person who remains steady no matter what life throws your way. You deserve a mindset that allows you to make decisions based on wisdom instead of impulse, courage instead of fear, and purpose instead of distraction. I've seen people who appear to have everything still live in constant anxiety, and I've watched ordinary people with very little possess remarkable peace simply because they learned to master themselves. Life isn't determined by what happens around you. It's determined by how you choose to respond. True strength is built through consistent daily practice, while everyone else searches for quick fixes. This channel will be a place where we talk about emotional resilience, self-discipline, inner peace, destructive habits, difficult relationships, and the quiet confidence that comes from living according to timeless principles. We'll explore why chasing approval steals your freedom, why controlling your reactions is your greatest power, and why true success begins with mastering yourself. Along the way, we'll cover many more powerful lessons to help you grow wiser every day. This entire AI journey reminds me a lot of practicing Stoicism. Progress feels slow in the beginning. I make mistakes, I learn from them, and I keep moving forward. That's the philosophy in action. I'm simply someone who has spent many years studying these timeless teachings, and now I want to share what I've learned so you can stop reacting to life and start leading it with wisdom. Your future self is shaped by the choices you make today, and I want this channel to become a guide that helps you build a calmer mind, stronger character, and a more meaningful life. I may just be someone learning new technology while sharing ancient wisdom, but I'm genuinely excited for the journey ahead. I can't wait to grow alongside all of you as we become wiser, stronger, and more resilient together. If you're ready to stop letting circumstances control your life and start mastering your mind, make sure you join us on this journey. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.